Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Markets. So today I'll be talking about XAU USD pair, that is gold USD pair, and we'll do the Forex analysis for 15th to 19th June 2026. So let's go straight to our chart. So first let's see what happened in XAU USD on Friday. So as you can see, 0.19% positive move, 40 to 18.54 was the closing on Friday in gold. So here now we'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week. Even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias for this week. And also I'll be sharing my opinion on what could happen coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check our weekly chart first. So here, this is a weekly chart. In this weekly chart, we can see a bearish candle with a medium body and a big lower wick and a small upper wick. If I talk about the stochastic RSI is at around one level which is at oversold area, which is indicating as a positive momentum. But remember, as we always say, we should not only look for RSI or the indicators, we should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's talk about my opinion in gold USD from a one-day chart. Before that, let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a one-day chart. So here, this is a one-day chart. Some important support zone and resistance zones are already marked. Currently, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos that I upload on my channel. So here, 42 18.54 is the closing. The direct support is 42.08, direct resistance is 42.31. After direct support, there is a support of 41.77 and then 41.57. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 42.50 and then 42.75. These are two important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. Currently, before I talk about my opinion, if you're from India and thinking that how you can trade Forex market from India, then I have already shared prop firm links in the description where you can open your account from there and get funded. I have also shared discount coupon codes which will help you to take better discounts on any challenges that you buy from those platforms. So if you're interested, you can check the link in the description. You can use those coupon code. But if you think these prop firms have very strict rules and you don't want to follow these rules, then you can also open your own live account. If you want to know more about it, you can directly contact me on my WhatsApp number. I will help you regarding the same. So now let's talk about my opinion in gold USD for this week. So according to previous week momentum, I am expecting a positive move in this range, that is 42.31 to 42.50. I'm expecting a positive closing in this range. But if you're going for any short trade, then only go for a short trade once 42.08 gets breached and a 4-hour or a one-day candle gets closed below this. Then you can go for a short till this level, that is 41.77. Overall, my expectation is a bit positive, but I will also go for a short or a long trade only. I'll see a confirmation with a 4-hour or one-day candle closing below direct support or above direct resistance. So my expectation is positive. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section. If you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.